Hi, 你好宝宝. It's me, Mama May. Today I'm going to show you how to make the delicious double cheese beef burger. First of all, let's go through what we need to make a beef burger. We need some beef mince. To make a burger for one person, we need about 250 grams of beef mince. This is 5% fat of beef mince. And then we need to add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs you can make just using any old bread you have, and then you can keep the breadcrumbs in the freezer. That would last for a long time. To make a very delicious beef burger, you will need some chicken flavour powder. I would put about 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit salt as well, just to your taste. So I would put about 1/4 teaspoon. So this is pretty much the main ingredients to make beef burger. And you also need 1 bread bun like this. Yeah. To start make the burger, we will put a little bit of water to this mixture, about 2 tablespoons. And then start to mix with your hand like this. Today I'm making double cheeseburger, so this meat I have just done the beef mince. I will divide into 2, so it's making 2 burgers. Yeah. I have prepared a piece of a baking sheet, so I put this half of the beef mince I just made and onto the piece of a baking sheet, and then shape it up with hand, just like this. And then you can turn the burger while you're shaping it up. Make sure the side is slightly higher than the middle, because when you cook the burger, the middle would tend to pop up. So this is 1 burger is already shaped up. It's nicely made. I'll put it aside and make another one. So just shape the burger with 2 hands. Yeah. Get the side higher than the middle. Make them equal sized 2 burgers. And that's all done. So now we're ready to cook. To have the bread bun nice and tasty and warm, I would have put it in the oven to bake for about 5 minutes. Now let's start to cook the burgers. To cook a burger, you need a flat bottom frying pan. Heat it up on a medium heat, and then put some oil, about 1 tablespoon. You don't need it too much. Now the frying pan is warmed up. You can feel the heat when you put your hands above the frying pan. Now we just put this burger in here. cook for about 3 minutes this side, and then we turn to another side to cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Now we have cooked 3 minutes on that side, so we turn to another side. Look at that, it's all got this looking brown, because it's brown out, and it looks really nice and it smells lovely. So if you want to have a bacon in your burger, and now you can put a piece of a bacon to cook with the burger, and that will cook this side for 3 minutes. Okay, now the burger is really very well cooked on both sides. And this one as well. They're all very well cooked. We just need to put out on the bread and to assemble everything together. Okay, this is a bread pan just warmed up in the oven. Okay. One burger, put it here, and then put a piece of cheese on the top, put another one on the top, and put you another piece of cheese here, and then the last is to put this piece of a bacon on the top, and now it's all done. Nice big monster big burger. See? Hey, it's all done for today. The delicious double cheeseburger with bacon inside. Yeah. If you enjoy watching the video, click on the like. If you want to watch more videos from me, please subscribe. See you next time.